The Hasselblad X3D 150C marks a striking evolution in the world of professional photography, representing far more than a simple upgrade. It is a reimagining of what a high-end camera can be. From the very first glance, the X3D 150C exudes a sense of purpose and sophistication. Its design is understated yet powerful, signaling immediately that it is crafted for serious photographers, not casual users. Every curve, every detail speaks to an intention beyond functionality. It is a tool built for creators who treat photography as an art form, where each image emerges from patience, deliberation, and creative insight. Using the camera feels less like operating electronics and more like engaging with a finely tuned instrument, each element thoughtfully considered to enhance the user experience. Much like a luxury timepiece, the X3D 150C achieves a balance between technical precision and aesthetic elegance. Its design philosophy encourages photographers to slow down, to observe and interact with light, color, and composition in a meaningful way. This is not a camera built for rush or spontaneity. It is one that inspires a deeper connection with the process of image making. Rooted in Hasselblad's storied heritage yet attuned to modern professional demands, the X3D 150C embodies a seamless marriage of tradition and innovation. Its uni-body aluminum construction exudes solidity and refinement, reflecting a minimalist Scandinavian design ethos that prioritizes function, clean lines, and subtle sophistication without unnecessary adornment. The ergonomics have been thoughtfully upgraded from previous models, offering a grip that is both more comfortable and secure, making long shooting sessions less fatiguing. The control layout is intentionally restrained. Few buttons and dials are present, but each is perfectly positioned for intuitive use, ensuring that every action feels deliberate and purposeful. The tactile experience is a testament to Hasselblad's attention to detail, from the smooth, responsive shutter release to the precise resistance of the dials. Even the top display exudes luxury, reminiscent of the instrument panel of a high-end automobile or a classic mechanical watch, presenting essential shooting information with clarity and elegance. Innovations extend to practical elements, such as the magnetic battery system, which replaces traditional latches, maintaining the camera's clean lines while providing a secure and satisfying tactile interaction. These thoughtful choices combine to create a camera that is intuitive, cohesive, and refined in daily use. At the heart of the X3D 150C lies a groundbreaking 150-megapixel backside-illuminated SIMO sensor developed in collaboration with Sony. Measuring 44 by 33 millimeters, the sensor is roughly 70% larger in surface area than a full-frame sensor, offering clear advantages in depth control, noise reduction, and tonal accuracy. The results are staggering. Fine textures, fabric details, skin tones, and subtle transitions of light are rendered with extraordinary realism. Images convey a sense of dimensionality and depth that is immersive rather than mechanical. Coupled with 16-bit raw output capable of recording up to 281 trillion colors, the camera ensures seamless tonal transitions and natural gradation between shadows and highlights, producing visuals that feel remarkably true to life. Hasselblad's acclaimed natural color solution further elevates the X3D 150C's performance. Colors are rendered neutrally and consistently across diverse lighting conditions, with skin tones that remain lifelike, reds that are rich without overwhelming, and blues that retain their depth without artificial enhancement. Whether in controlled studio settings, natural daylight, or complex mixed lighting, photographers can trust the color fidelity and predictability of every shot. Traditionally, medium-format cameras have been lauded for their image quality, but critiqued for slower performance. The X3D 150C challenges that perception with an advanced phase detection autofocus system, featuring over 300 focus points and supporting face and eye detection. While it may not match the speed of sports-focused cameras, it represents a significant leap over previous Hasselblad models, delivering accurate and reliable focus for portraits, commercial work, and controlled outdoor photography. Subject tracking is confident, and focus acquisition feels immediate and dependable. Complementing this, the 5-axis in-body image stabilization system provides up to 7 stops of stabilization, enabling handheld shooting at shutter speeds as slow as 1/5 of a second without sacrificing sharpness. This opens up creative possibilities in low light and situations where tripods are impractical. The 3.6-inch tilting touchscreen enhances usability further, offering a clean, responsive interface that makes adjustments seamless. Together, these features bridge the gap between traditional medium format image quality and the convenience of modern shooting workflows. Battery life supports extended sessions, while internal SSD storage improves file transfer speeds and reduces dependency on external cards, allowing photographers to concentrate on creativity rather than logistics. Although primarily a stills camera, the X3D 150C does not neglect video. It is capable of internal 4K 12-bit RAW recording at up to 30 frames per second, utilizing the full sensor readout. Video retains the same color depth, tonal richness, and dynamic range as still photography, making it suitable for cinematic clips, interviews, product videos, or behind-the-scenes content, even if it does not offer all the advanced tools of dedicated cinema cameras. Despite its refined aesthetic, the camera is built to endure challenging conditions. The magnesium alloy body is weather-sealed to protect against dust and moisture, while the ergonomics ensure comfort during extended shoots without compromising style or elegance. What sets the X3D 150C apart is the sense of cohesion it delivers as a complete system. Every component is designed to work in harmony, reflecting Hasselblad's philosophy of prioritizing image quality, thoughtful design, and the deliberate joy of photography. It encourages creators to slow down, trust their tools, and engage deeply with the artistic process. The combination of its 150-megapixel sensor, advanced color science, ergonomic refinement, and robust construction establishes a new benchmark for medium-format photography. Every interaction, from pressing the shutter to reviewing images, embodies precision and artistic intention. For professionals seeking the ultimate in image quality, the X3D 150C is more than a camera. It is an experience. It delivers unparalleled clarity, depth, and color fidelity across fine art, landscape, portrait, commercial, and cinematic applications. By blending engineering excellence with artistic purpose, it empowers photographers to push their creative vision further with confidence. Ultimately, the Hasselblad X3D 150C is a statement of what can be achieved when meticulous craftsmanship meets a deep understanding of the photographic art, inspiring creators to capture the world with intention, beauty, and uncompromising quality.